Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are struggling with the balancing redox reaction and acidic solutions, you are in the right place. Today, I will break it down step by step so you can master this concept with confidence. We will go over identifying oxidation and reduction, adding electrons, and making sure everything is balanced. So grab your notes, let's get started. Question is sulfur is oxidized by nitric acid in an aqueous solution, produces sulfur dioxide plus nitrogen monoxide plus water. Firstly, we will convert this equation into an ionic equation. So this will become S plus H positive plus NO3 negative gives SO2 plus NO plus H2O. Next step is going to be we are going to write the unbalanced half reaction. For oxidation half reaction, we will have S gives SO2 as oxidation state for the sulfur is 0 and oxidation state for sulfur dioxide is positive 4. That means there is a loss of electrons. For reduction half reaction, we have NO3 negative gives NO. Oxidation state for the NO3 is positive 5 and oxidation state for the NO is positive 2. Therefore, there is a increase of electrons. In the second step, we are going to balance the sulfur and nitrogen except oxygens. So if you notice in the first one, we are having sulfur that is already balanced. And in the second one, nitrogen that is also already balanced. So we will write all the atoms are balanced. Now in the third step, we are going to balance the oxygen atoms by adding water molecules. For oxidation half reaction, we are having two oxygens on the right side of this equation. That means we are going to add two water molecules on the left side to balance oxygen. For reduction half reaction, we are having three oxygens on the left side and one oxygen on the right side. That means we are going to add two water molecules on the right side to balance the oxygen. Fourth step is going to be we are going to balance the hydrogen atoms by adding hydrogen ions. For oxidation half reaction, we are having four hydrogen atoms. That means we are going to add four hydrogen ions on the right side. So equation will be S plus 2H2O gives SO2 plus 4 hydrogen ions. Now, same as we will do the same thing for reduction half reaction. For reduction half reaction, we are having 4 hydrogen atoms on the right side of the equation. That means we are going to add 4 hydrogen atoms on the left side. So this will become NO3 negative plus 4 hydrogen ions gives NO plus 2H2O. We are done with balancing oxygen. We are done with balancing hydrogen. Now we are going to balance the charges by adding electrons. So for the oxidation half reaction, we are having four charges on the right side. That means we are going to add four electrons on the right side only so that we can get net charge as 0. For reduction half reaction, we are having one negative and four positive charges on the left side. So to get net zero charges, we will add three electrons on the left side to balance this. Now balance the entire equation by the following steps. Firstly, we want the electron numbers to be same. Over here for the oxidation half reaction we are having 4 electrons on this one, and for reduction half reaction we are having 3 over here. So what you will do, you will multiply oxidation half reaction by 3 and reduction half reaction by 4 so that we can get same electron numbers. So this will become 3 sulfur plus 6 H2O gives 3 SO2 plus 12 H positive plus 12 electrons. For reduction half reaction, we will have 4NO3 negative plus 16H positive plus 12 electrons gives 4NO plus 8H2O. Now we are having these two equations. We are going to add these two equations together. So this will become 3S plus 6H2O plus, now we will add the left side on this one, 4NO3 negative plus 16H positive plus 12 electrons gives 3SO2 plus 12H positive plus 12 electrons plus 4NO plus 8H2O. Now next step is going to be, we are going to cancel the same electrons and other identical molecules or ions. Over here, firstly let's mark the same atoms or ions. We are having water over here and we are having water over here as well. And if you mark this in the main reaction, we are having water over here and then we are having water here as well. Other one is going to be hydrogen ion and hydrogen ion. And then we are having electrons over here and electrons over here. We are going to subtract or cancel this one. So 12 electrons and 12 electrons are going to be cancelled. We are having 3s one time plus 4NO3 one time only. Then we are having 6 water on this side and 8 waters on this side. So that means we are left with 2 waters on this side. Then you have like 6 hydrogen ions on this side and 12 hydrogens on this side. We're going to subtract this part and we will be left with 4 hydrogen ions on this side. And on the right side, we are having 3SO2 plus water molecules we are already got by subtracting the terms plus 4NO. Now this is the entire equation that is balanced, but one thing we have to do, as the sulfur is having the 8 molecules, we will multiply the whole term by 8 so that we can get sulfur as 8. So this will become, this and this will become 32 NO3 negative plus 32 H positive gives 24 SO2 plus 16 H2O plus 32 NO. This is going to be the final equation that is balanced in an acidic solution.
You have now learned how to balance redox reaction and acidic solutions step by step. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss a new chemistry lesson. See you in the next one. Thank you.